Hi, good morning, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today Priyanka is moving somewhere else. She's shifting to other place. Right now we are in Lakshman Jula, right? And but she is going to Tapovan area.
Tapovan.
Yes, yes. Go
Yoga.
yoga area. She's gonna go and meet with the older teacher.
Yeah.
Older teacher, or what
Oh,
should I say?
I mean, like my teacher.
I mean, her teachers where she learned yoga.
Yeah.
And now I'm going for chai. You like come for chai and you can leave.
Yeah. No, for Bhaiya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I put my bag in the restaurant.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Yes, you can. I'll go. We'll go for chai. Then she will leave,
Yeah.
and I'll come back. And bulk. No, pura festival function or khatam. Over. I to enjoyed Bikun till evening. My throat, oh god, I shouted like hell while dancing. Wow, my bindi is like have orange color. My t-shirt is red. It's matching. I love this mirror. Yeah, let's go for chai.
My maternal side, like in Jaffa has influenced Hindu, like from India.
Oh.
Yeah.
Everybody asks the same question. How come your name is so Indian?
Being Indonesian, and my brother name is Bhishma.
What? Bhishma?
Bhishma. Yeah.
Oh, Bhishma Pitama wale Bhishma.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yes.
My god. Did you take the shower?
Which shower?
Shower in the morning?
Yeah.
Because you're looking so fresh.
Of course.
And I'm looking sleepy. See? Look at the difference.
Chineri. You will see that so cool.
Time to say bye bye to her.
I do, but she's so sweetheart.
That's what I'm saying. That she's going. मैं तपोवन going, Baba.
I thought you I'm living
Priyanka, don't make fool people.
Yeah.
And that's why I said
No, but I'm leaving on 13th.
13 March. Okay, let me know that.
Yeah. I'll let you know.
She's gonna keep coming this side. Don't worry. Yeah, Didi ji, okay.
Why? I mean, why you like India and that you're really like
The doping that much. I don't know, but I feel like this is just soul connection, and I just follow it.
past life.
You know the past life. Yeah. I feel like she's previous life she was Indian.
Yes. That's true. Maybe
Yeah.
that's why Rishikesh called you.
Yeah.
Because Ganga is very ancient.
Yes, second times.
Yes, very ancient.
And-
And I also felt like you have somewhere like past connection.
Yes.
Somewhere like not so much, but somewhere yes.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And you are remembering yourself here.
Yes, and then I'm so grateful. Even like second
But
time,
if you will
again.
meditate beside the Ganga, like in a very proper place, at good timing with moon or something like this, you will get those things also. Because मेरे साथ हुआ it's very pure. I will not share proper, but yeah, I felt that कि जब मैं तो ऐसे बैठी थी, like I was just sitting near the Ganga. In that moment, I was sitting with my two friends, and then one of my friends said कि like wisdom mantra, like किसी goddess का था वो, like some goddess mantra. तो उन्होंने गाया, वो लक्ष्मी का मंत्र था. तो जब गाया ना उन्होंने, तो मैं और मेरी my friend was sitting and we were listening, and something happened, like I don't know that वो मैंने आंखें खोली, वो लोग तो आंखें बंद करके they are meditating, मेरे से नहीं हो पाया. I opened my eyes, वो शाम, there's a dark evening time, और मैंने वो proper वो scene देखा, like गंगा बह रही है, मेरे दो दोस्त बैठे हैं, एक लड़का एक लड़की, एक foreigner, she is from I think Tokyo, no, Tokyo. Turkey.
Okay.
Turkey. Okay, sorry. Turkey. And one other man is, she's from Bhopal.
Turkey.
Both are good. Then they are meditating and शाम का वक्त है, it's evening and मैंने जो visuals देखे ना वो like वो visual मुझे ऐसा लगा कि I've seen it before, you know that kind of feeling कि I've seen this before.
It's remembering.
Yes, it's remembering.
I like
क्योंकि हम
that.
उस टाइम पे वहाँ गंगा में बैठे थे, we are chanting. Those two people who are very new to me, but they are my friends instantly. We got the connection, we got the things sharing. Like, तो जब हम वापस तीनों जाते ना, then I shared this thing with them कि यार I recall something like I already sitted with you beside the गंगा. So naturally, one of my friend or that girl also have a same thing. That's actually a miracle कि उनको भी ऐसा लगा था और क्योंकि वो भी तभी तो हम तीनों एक साथ वहाँ स्पिरिचुअली कुछ कर रहे थे बिकॉज वी हैव द बिलीव हाँ हो सकता है तो ये चीज थी तो अब हम तीनों को ही लगा वो चीज तो हमें लगा कि दैट इज मे बी सम पास्ट कॉल कि हम क्योंकि उस लड़के ने भी मुझे ऐसा बोला था दैट गाय कि या आई आल्सो हैव लाइक ड्रीम्स व्हेन आई इन चाइल्डहुड की I am coming from some tribe or I'm reading Ganga this scenes and all. That's why he came to Rishikesh to experience Ganga and Himalayas. So he's also traveling. So that's you. Please call me.
Finally, we stepped out. I'm just going for chai. My God, her phone cover and her kurta is matching. Yeah, I just noticed this. Yeah. Hello. My God.
Wow. Oh, but it's good, yeah.
Yeah, I know. They're cleaning it, but my God. Are we gonna go and have chai there?
Where left side? Do you think they play like? Oh, I'm going really to slap them. It's okay. I mean, it's not. I'm not.
My God, he talks so good. Shiva? Shiva? He ignores me like hell. Like seriously, it's been 2 years now. My God. Oh.
मुझे भी क्या पता भाई तेरा मेरे को पता हो तो तेरा तो मैं तेरे को फोन कर देता हूँ
I'm taking videos. Our chai, bhan maska. And here is madam. Her last chai with me.
Bhabhi ji.
Didi ji, yours last chai with me.
Cute.
You're leaving.
Kaise?
I'm back after chai. So I'm meaning after having chai. So I'm back after having chai. So yeah, Pri left. Actually, she just she's just going to stay in Tapawan area for a few days because on 13 she is leaving for Indonesia. So yeah. And yeah, I know that she's gonna keep coming, and I'm so grateful that I met her. Why? Because it's very rare for me to make a friend, like seriously. Because even for friendship I choose aligned friends, and yeah, I got a gift which is this, and it's a Sri Yantra, by the way, Sri Yantra bracelet which is handmade. And she told me that it is from Rishikesh only, like 3 or 4 years back when she was here. Like ये उसके पास 3-4 सालों से था, but now she like gave it to me, and I'm like really grateful. And I really wanted to have something like related to Sri Yantra. I never knew she is gonna give this to me, and I'm so happy and grateful at the same time because I know how much precious energy it has. So good energy it has. I know this. I can feel it. Thank you, Pri, if you're gonna see this video. So thank you so much for this beautiful, most precious gift ever. But yes, we're gonna keep it. It's not necessary that you're gonna find your tribe here in the same place where you are born. She's from Indonesia, I'm from India, and also one of my friend, she's from Spain, Veronica. My God, I haven't talked to her like since ages. But yeah, Veronica, she's from Spain. I realize I keep meeting my tribe from here and there, like from different countries, not only from India. Like seriously. Anyway, so yeah, let's go. Like, let's go and sit for some time. Let's spend some time. Let's do something. Let's see you, Vandana, sometime. God, मैं कितना सोई हूँ आज दिन भर में, सीरियसली क्योंकि कितनी ज़्यादा टायर्डनेस थी. बट एनीवेज, yes, rest is also important. It's a part of self-love, that how much you value your pain and address it. Yes, so I slept a lot today. Now I'm going out. It's almost 7 in the night, and I haven't recorded much in the noon time because something shift. When you meet, you become different person. When people leave you again, you change, and you try to what to say, it's not normal. I mean, like, it's not like this that you switch personalities, because for me it's very rare to find people whom actually I can like vibe, or I call them like my soul tribe, because I know it's very rare for me to find my people. I know that's what I say, and I know Pri is like kind of my soul tribe. So yeah, we had a great time. Like we. I'm so grateful that she came in my life, and yes, my soul sister. So yeah, and then when she left, I'm happy for her. Obviously, I'm happy for myself as well. But everybody has like people take time, to switch the personalities. You cannot like. ऐसे बिल्कुल ट्रांजिशंस ऐसे नहीं होते हैं बाबा. इट टेक्स लाइक थोड़ा धीरे. सो बट या, am I feeling bad? No. Am I feeling happy? Yes, for both of us, and that we are consciously taking decisions for our lives. I'm just so happy for that. But at the same time, we are humans. Changes happens in the life, so we process it like slowly. So giving time to that process is very important part. Yeah. So yeah, let's go to eat something. I really want to eat momos. It's been long time मैं मोमोज नहीं खाई हूँ. मैंने सबको लेके गई हूँ भैया की शॉप पे, मतलब उन भैया की शॉप पे मोमोज खाने के लिए, लेकिन मैं खुद नहीं खाती थी because I don't know, I wasn't feeling like eating momos, but I'm craving momos today. So let's go and eat momos, have chai, and we're gonna go and sit at the Sai Ghat. Yay! Let's go, Vandana. हाँ भाई बता दिया मैंने पहले ही. भैया ऋषिकेश की होली मैंने कभी नहीं अटेंड करी है. क्या होली थी भाई साहब, पूरा 6 बजे तक मैंने होली खेली है ना. आप तो करे होंगे अटेंड ना पहले भी.
मैं तो यही रहता हूं, मैं अटेंड करता हूं.
अच्छा मैं इतनी बार ऋषिकेश आई हूँ, लेकिन मैंने होली अटेंड नहीं करी थी, लेकिन होली बहुत बढ़िया थी.
ले लो. आपको हाँ दे दो, 2 मटके दे दो.
अपन साईं घाट जा रहे हैं. चाय अपन ने पी ली है. अपन मतलब मैंने चाय पी ली है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू घाट.
बड़ी लग्जरी कोई नहीं है ना। बड़े से बड़े लग्जरी रिजॉर्ट में क्या दिया जा रहा है, आप अपनी सब्जी उठा के खाइए। अजीब सा हो गया सिस्टम, थोड़ा समझ नहीं आता, पता नहीं जो भी। अच्छी बात यह है कि हम जो चाहें अपने लिए ठीक कर सकते हैं। कोशिश करिए। बॉल कैसे पकड़ के लगी और यूनिवर्स के पार हो गया, अब आपको दिख नहीं रहेगा। जो जैसा पहले था वैसा दिखेगा। 5-7 मिनट में शक्ल ही बदलने लग जाती है, इंसान अलग ही हो जाती है शक्ल। वैसा शक्ल वैसी शक्ल नहीं बचती। अजीब है ये कुछ। हाँ जाता
सब चलता है. So now time for me to go back to the hostel, but I think I'm gonna have one more chai, but not here, nearby my hostel. So I'm going to hostel. आ चुके अपनी जगह चाय पीने के लिए. हमारी आंटी अभी पिछले 4 दिनों से मैं प्रियंका के साथ चाय पी रही थी. आज वो है नहीं अभी. आई मिस सबको चाय. हम आ चुके हैं अभी चाय पी के सीधे हॉस्टल. तक वीडियो भी अपलोड नहीं किया, अभी जाके अपलोड करना है. हम बैक टू हॉस्टल. भाई आज तो मैं किसी से नहीं मिली हूँ यार. बस मॉर्निंग में प्रियंका को बाय बाय बोला, उसके बाद बस हो गया. किसी से कोई मुलाकात ही नहीं हुई है. मैं यस कोई भी नहीं हॉस्टल में. लेट्स फिनिश दिस वीडियो हियर. और कल का वीडियो भी अपलोड करना है यार. सो यस, सी यू वंदना इन टुमारोज वीडियो. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, गुड नाइट एंड टेक केयर पीपल. बाय.